Now I am going to create this graph in R, but we will not install R software in our computer. We will use Google Colab. Let's discuss practically. Just go to Google and type Google Colab. This is Google Colab site. Yeah, please click new notebook. Please don't skip any session. Please pause the video and practice with me. This is our Google Colab site. So click here to connect. We need internet connection. Click here. Okay. Now we will open this data, this Excel data. We will open this Excel data. This is the variable label and this is the data. We will create box plot for BMI. So click folder here. Then click upload here. First, then here. So we will upload data from a folder. Our data set name is yes, that heart, this data. Okay. Like our software, we have to run some library. The code is similar. But but first we have to click here. Run time. Please click here. Run time. Sense run time. Defaultly there is a Python, but we have to use R. Just select R. R. Then save. When we will open the Google Colab, then we have to change our runtime. Okay, now this is heart disease. So library. Our first library is read Excel. Why read Excel? Because we will use Excel data. Then second library is tdverse. tdverse. VERAC. tdverse. So now we will run. How to run? Just click here. Yeah. Now we will open data. So another new cell code. This is called the cell code. For example, DF is a data set name. Read underscore Excel within inverted comma. Our data set name is dat underscore HART heart dot XLSX within quotation. Now run. Yes, already data was uploaded. Now another cell code. So DF, then ggplot, AES, y is equal to here BMI plus geom box plot. So if we run, yeah, this is the box plot for single variable. If we add another variable x, x is equal to another variable name is, for example, sugar. There is a variable name sugar cons or gender. We can use gender, gender. So if we run, yes, this is a box plot stratified by a categorical variable. We can add another variable as well. For example, another variable fill. Fill is equal to another variable. So if we see the variable name, income level, for example, income level. So income level. So if we run, yes, this is our box plot, but it is not publication ready plot. We have to format. How to format? Within the geom line wide, spelling is very important. Wide is equal to 0.2, for example, 0.2, comma, outlier, out, LIER, outlier dot color, out, sorry, outlier dot color, outlier color is equal to, for example, red. White, black dot, these are the out color. So our outlier. Sorry, Rishan. Yes, we can change style NOTCAS notes is equal to true, capital true. True. Yes, we can add label LAB level y is equal to y is equal to body mass index, x is equal to gender, fill is equal to, because we use y x fill, here fill is equal to income level. So if we run, sorry, not lab, it will be labs. Labs, yeah, yeah. Body mass index, gender, income level. We can we can place legend in the top side, on the top side. So theme legend, sorry, legend dot position, legend dot position is equal to top. So if we run, yes, top. So without our software, we can analyze all data, all statistical model, all graph in Google Colab. So please pause the video and practice with me. You don't need to install our software. Just you have to open Google website. You have to go to Google and you have to go to Google Colab. Then please write this code. I will share this code in the post. Now I will export this graph. How to export? For example, here plot. Plot is equal to plot. We'll give a name. Now we will export. How to export? Very easy. GG save. File name. A file name. File name is equal to, we have to give a name. For example, plot.tiff tip format, comma, plot name is equal to plot, because our name is plot, no problem. We can give any name, no problem. White is equal to, for example, 6.5, 6.5, AECIGH height is equal to, for example, 5. DPI, generally we use DPI 300. Compression, spelling is very important. Compression is equal to LZW. So if we run, yeah, so now plot. So this is our plot. So we have to download. Yeah, download. So please open. Yeah, this is our plot. So using this procedure, we can create any statistical plot, analysis, etc. So please pause the video and write this code. If you face any problem, then please give comment. We will solve.